Hello. Stories is a very effective method for collecting tacit knowledge. Now, I've got Dr. Jessica Yip today. Hello, how are you?
Good.
And thank you very much, Jessica.
Thank you for
And she just come in to share with us about her research, which is apparently the use of storytelling in organizational development studies. Well, what triggered you to conduct this piece of research?
We found out that in many organizational development studies, the researcher, the company are highly rely on externally appointed researcher or consultants to conduct the research by predefined set of questions, and this predefined set of questions are used in interviews and questionnaires. And when respondents are answering to the predefined questions, they actually cannot think out of the box. They cannot generate new ideas because there are lack of communication, exchange of ideas. So we're thinking if there is any other approach, like storytelling, then people can sit around and tell their real life stories, and this can trigger their new thinking and conversation. So this can help them to devise a new strategy for organizational development.
Very interesting, right? So, precisely, tell us the essence of your research. What exactly have you done, please?
Okay. In our storytelling approach, we actually ask people to sit around and then they tell their story, real life stories. And very often, when they sit around, they very eagerly and share their interesting and memorable, impressive real life stories. And very usually, people are actually scattered in different offices. So when they sit around, they talk about their real life stories, and these trigger new ideas. And with these new ideas, then the researcher can have less interference on the research and the data, and this can devise a more comprehensive strategy for the organizations.
Wonderful. Now, obviously, you have applied it to several organizations, well, and obtained some results. So, can you also shed light on what exactly have your research revealed?
Yeah. Actually, our research have been conducted in 3 case company, and with gratitude to the case company and our research team. The first case study have been conducted in the public utility company in a gas company. We help the company to transfer knowledge from Hong Kong office to the China office. And because the Hong Kong office is a more developed office, and then we help them to transfer the knowledge from the Hong Kong to the new office in mainland China. This is the first case study. And the second case study is about a electronics manufacturing company. We try to compare 2 different offices and to help the less efficient offices to improve themselves. And what I want to emphasize is the last case study in a public transportation company. We actually help the management to map up their management expectation with the frontline officers' concerns and their expectation. So frontline expectation and the management expectation are mapped together, and then in the storytelling exercise they eagerly tell us what their perspective are. Then this help to build a comprehensive picture for future actions and the strategies.
Very good. Now, in terms of the implications for the piece of research, I would also like to ask Dr. Yip, how can organizations in general benefit from what you have, discovered from your research?
Yeah, sure. There is a new storytelling approach that can be used in organization development developed in our research. So this methodology can actually be applied in different industry companies, and the advantage of this approach is that we create a open platform for people to share ideas, to come up with new thinking, and to gain more understanding of each other. First of all, so to create an open platform for communication. Second of all, these require very little expertise to use this methodology. So this can be easily applied. So we hope that this can be replicated in other companies. So this is the benefit that could be applied in different companies.
Wonderful. At this point, I'd like to wrap up this interview and thank you, Dr. Yip, for coming in and sharing with us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.